Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a meeting inside of Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and go to calendar.google.com and sign into your account. Then from here, we want to click on the create button. And now once we click on create, we want to go ahead and click onto a event. Now we want to give this event or meeting a title. So go ahead and put that meeting title in. Now below that, we want to go ahead and change or add some things. So we can go ahead and set the date and time because we need to set that. So say it's currently Sunday. So if I want to create this on this following Wednesday, now we want to set the time. So if I want to do at 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And we can also set this all day if it's an all day meeting. And from here we can add guests. So go ahead and add guests inside of here. So enter their email addresses. Now if you want to go ahead and add a Google Meet video conference, you can go ahead and click onto that, and then that's going to be, you're going to get a link for that. So send that, and you can get up to 100 guest connections. So send that out, and we can add location, we can add description or attachments, and now it's going to be under your name that's starting the meeting. And then it's got default visibility, notify 30 minutes before. If we click on more options, we can add a description here as well. We can change the visibility to public or private. If you just want a private, we can keep it private, busy or free. We can change the notification or email. So if you want to email a notification, you can. And we can do it 30 minutes prior, or we can change this to hours. We can say 2 hours prior. So you can play around with all that. Then from there, go ahead and click onto save, and that's going to set a Google Meet meeting inside of Google Calendar. Now, once I've set that, we can see here Wednesday. That's where this meeting is going to take place.